Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You are signed in, so start in YouTube Studio. This is where raw watch time lives. Once in Studio, click Analytics in the left menu and focus on the Overview card. Make sure to set the date range at the top. Default is 28 days, so you see the period you care about. You'll immediately see watch time hours and views. These two metrics explain performance. Use the quick drop-down to switch to 90 days or custom range for a broader view. Now dig into engagement and audience to understand how watch time accumulates. That explains the why. Click Engagement to see average view duration and watch time by video, then open Audience to view returning viewers and when people drop off. Use the filter icon to isolate a single video, device, or country. This reveals patterns you can act on. Once filtered, compare two date ranges to measure progress, and hover the retention graph for exact timestamps where viewers leave. Finish by exporting the Analytics CSV so you can sort, sum, and build custom charts. Click the Export button at top right. Once exported, calculate total watch time per video and by traffic source to prioritize content. If watch time appears missing, make sure your account has full permissions and the correct channel is selected. Also confirm the date range and that data processing delays are not affecting recent uploads. If problems persist, clear cache, try another browser, or recheck channel ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.